Did you know the sun actually makes a sound? But we can't hear it with our ears because sound can't travel through space. Scientists use special instruments to capture the sun's vibrations and turn them into audio. The result? A mysterious, low humming noise, almost like a cosmic heartbeat. These sounds help scientists understand the sun's inner structure and activity. Listening to the sun gives us clues about solar storms that can affect Earth. Imagine hearing the soundtrack of our star, the very heart of our solar system. Next time you look up, remember, the sun isn't silent, it's singing. We just can't hear it. Subscribe for more mind-blowing facts about the universe you never knew.